EJ, you get Makusha. Mako. All right, good afternoon. Good evening, most distinguished ladies and gentlemen. EJ, play Makusha. This country don't fool though. Play. Do you have? No, you have one. Increase them. Hold on. DJ, once I say hold on once. Don't do that. Are you listening? Hope so you hear my name. I mean, you know my name is Kolo. So once I say hold on, we are play them again. Play them. Hold on. Play them again. Yeah. Hold on. Play them again. Hold on. Start on from on top. Well, you know the truth is, ladies and gentlemen, if you're here, before una won't help any of una brother for village, una know the state where in there. I know what I'm telling you. My papa called me, hello Emmanuel, they are showing you on TV. You are doing it, man. You are making money. It will not be good if you don't help your brother. The worst mistake I do, I forget to ask my papa, what state is my brother? Now I invite my brother come Lagos. Where we did, they sleep for nights. I don't know that my brother is out of his mind. We did, they sleep for night. I don't know the mind. We say, make I use this eye. Make I open up. Around 2. I just see person stand up. Use back, they walk up. They walk up. For my man, you know, house when me rent, I go face fear. Say, what did they happen? The guy use back. Very composed. They use back, walk up. They walk up, go wear kitchen there. As he reach kitchen door, I saw it turn. Open the door. Turn again. Use back. Enter kitchen. I couldn't look. What did they happen? The guy just go where with the push salt. That's why you open the salt. Dip one hand inside the salt. That's why you liquor. You know that kind of thing I call the fear. So what is the problem? How person will wake up, use back, walk out. For money now, I wake up, go outside. I said, brother, what will be all this rubbish now? What did they do? How you go wake up for night? Use back. You walk out. You go open salt, leak salt. I said, what did happen to you? He said, man, no vessel. Say food when they chop for dream. Say salt, no damn. I said, salt, no the food when they chop for dream. So before you know for real, I just want to do a sharp because they cut comedians. At this my level, I don't want me to cut me. Please, ladies and gentlemen, if you are here and you like woman, please, this is an advice. If you're a man here, you like woman, you can never satisfy a woman. No matter how you lift them up, knock her for ground, roll your waist, women are whole. No, for real. It's like I'm talking your mind, right? Because they talk, then they look me. No, I'm speaking your mind. No. I should speak for myself. No, I'm talking them because of you. You know these yellow guys there? They're too like woman. Now only Nigerian man go they what? We. Vein go through your forehead. That vein, they fit take a wire full flat. You can never satisfy. Do what you want to do and go. If you're 1 minute, do. Go. Another person can be 10 hours. You they say yes. One of my guy, anytime, when in the while, if he won't come, now cry, they follow. You know that kind of thing, when you won't come, your eyes, some people eye, they shine like bulb. My guy, come, you know, in a pay person, he get when he come wife for our full street. The girl, after he wipe her finish, when he won't come, cry, come they follow her. You know that kind of thing? The girl come carry and go to tell his full friends for outside. Say, look at that guy. It's not man enough. Anytime, he just start crying, idiot. You know that thing they pay man. Before you know, now the guy gather money, carry the girl, that same girl, because the girl na runs girl, carry her mental house. Now that day I don't say wipe, they talk. As he carry the girl, enter house. This is not the last one. As he carry her mental house, now so the guy starts. Now you dey tell people, say anytime. We are one call.
Thank you.
Wait. I go to cry. The guy said, please, I'm not. The guy said, shut up. No be you that tell people. Say anytime. We are one call. The idiot, don't forget, say release, they start from head. The next thing we'll just see the guy voice just change. Now you that tell people. Say anytime. Hey, whoa!